going to show you how I ride my bike without any training wheels. This is my first time ever. Before we start cycling, you need 3 things: comfortable shoes, a helmet, and your friend. In a learning bike park. Also, the park needs to be flat so I can learn on flat surfaces. Flat surfaces is perfect and also safe. Let's start today's lesson. First, you need to do scooting. Like that. Like how you push off with your scooter. I've taken off the pedals. Now we're going to try to do scooting without pedals. That's going to be awesome. So let's start to do this position, okay? And then put one leg down and then push up. And then if you can, try to do it for 5 seconds. Up legs, okay? Like me. Okay, try that. Day 2 of learning to bike. Let's practice. This time I've got my 2 pedals on, and today we're gonna try to keep one leg on this pedal and the other on the ground. Let's try it. Like this. It's okay to feel scared. You need to have someone to ride, like your toy. There's also something else you need to know before you start cycling. It's that feel confident and feel calm. With your mom's and dad's help, you can do it easily. Like in my day 2, I could do it just easily. Keep practicing and enjoy riding.